Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing Wilson Family Kitchen for this. We're making stuffed mushrooms. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe because my dad told me to do that at the beginning. Let's get started. So first you cut the stems out.
Oh, right, so you can twist it.
You can twist it if you want. See?
That makes a nice little...
Oh, it's nice and brown. S-T-U-F, stuff. Like sausage and all kinds of stuff. You don't have to put them in stacks. I'm just doing it because I want to. It's optional, is what I should say. Ooh, soft too. Oh, feel. Soft. All hairy inside. Oh, that gives me a joke that I learned. What do you call an annoying vampire? A pain in the neck. Okay, now mash in the sausage. Careful. Okay, now we're gonna add diced peppers and onions to our sausage. Now we mix them up. So, overboard. Now we're gonna spread the pan so then the mushroom tops don't stick.
That's good.
Now we're gonna put the mushroom tops. I may have cut up some because it's fun. And either way. So now, people, just so you know, you have a choice of snipping or cutting the basil. I am snipping it and not cutting it. Okay. We're gonna mix it in with breadcrumbs and cheese into sausage that we were cooking a few minutes ago. Now, either way, yeah, you can snip or cut. Well, snip is with scissors, obviously, and cut is with a knife, if you have a knife. So now, we've put our basil inside, and we're gonna put the breadcrumbs in. Now the cheese, at least one handful, like this. Turn and church. And we mix it. Hey guys, since this looks a little bit, so it's gonna sound, so the word I'm gonna say is a little inappropriate. Ooh. Am I right? Okay, so now we're gonna put our stuffing inside the mushrooms. Like this. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, so you gotta press it in or else it's not gonna be full, the stuffing. And now you put the oven on bake 375 for at least 15 minutes. And you just wait. So now I'm going to try a mushroom. Pretty good. It's pretty good. So, anyways, that'll wrap us up, and we'll see you next time on Wilson and Family Kitchen. And maybe, if you want, leave a comment once my dad unlocks that. Say after you cook it if it was good or not, but either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Oh, I was careful. I spoke too late. Should I say I spoke too early?